How to fix dynamic wallpaper, not working on iOS 18. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix dynamic wallpapers not working on your iPhone, especially if you're on iOS 18. Let's dive right in. First, head to Settings, tap on Accessibility, and then go into Motion Settings. Make sure that Reduce Motion is turned off, as having this setting on can limit animations, including dynamic wallpapers. Next, go back to your main settings menu. Find Battery and ensure Low Power Mode is also turned off. Low Power Mode reduces certain animations to save battery, which can prevent dynamic wallpapers from working properly. Now let's make sure you're actually using a dynamic wallpaper. Go into your wallpaper settings and select Customize. Check that your wallpaper is labeled Dynamic. This confirms it's set to animate. If you don't see any dynamic options, scroll down to the bottom of the wallpaper choices. This is typically where dynamic wallpapers are located on iOS 18. Choose one of these, add any widgets or other customizations if you want, and set it as your wallpaper. Once everything is set, lock and unlock your screen, and you should see the dynamic animations working perfectly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.